Chopping veggies, it's my therapy. Ek chutki magic, you see. Slow cook all the good vibes. Let that tadka sizzle and shine. This kitchen ka sukoon, it's my own art form. A pinch of this, a little zest, keeping my heart warm. Meri wali recipe, it's a feeling you can taste. Meri wali recipe, filled with so much grace. Low light in the kitchen, a gentle hum. Watching colors bleed until the flavors come. Slow heat, it's a slow heat. Turning simple things into something sweet. Smells like home, that fuzzy feeling. Good food is good healing. Yeah, just sitting in the feeling. Chop chop ki awaaz, a quiet kind of rhythm. Dil garam, the sizzle's got its own wisdom. Slow simmer pe rang kitna gehra ho gaya. Pure ghar mein khushboo ka pehra ho gaya. Patience se bana a perfect bite of sukoon. This little kitchen magic, my favorite afternoon. Let's make something. Chopping veggies, a gentle beat. Golden onions getting sweet. Garam masale ki khushboo aayi. Soul ko milta hai sukoon bhai. Garnish with some dhaniya bright. Sab set hai for a perfect night. Counting drops of vanilla essence, and the mixer sounds like a soft hum. Now we wait for the timer song. Golden light from the kitchen window. Just let the quiet oven do its work. Air surrounds me. Dargah ka magic, dil se for you.